Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back. This MD Sarwar from Mymensingh Division, Sub-District Phulpur. Once again, take a what make a sentence website once again. Which what I can take today? Yes, green view. Have a look. It's a green view area. That's why I'm making videos here, and I try to speak English. I try to speak English every single day because it's my dream, and I know one day I will be success, but I'm getting response from everyone. That's why I try to speaking English every single day, and I try to make videos. And who are they want to speak English? No need to see the book, no need to write down something. Just ask any. If I ask any question, just you will give the answer. Dear bro, why you want to speak English, and what's your dream? Yes, as you know, it's English. It's international language. That's why I want to speak English. And another thing is, I'm an employer. As you know, I'm a soldier in Bangladesh General Answer Department. Most of the time, I had to face with abroad person to talk them English version. That's why I try to speak English, and I'm learning. It's my dream. I have to be success at any cost. And not only me, if you want to get a good job, or if you want, if you would like to highlight yourself, you have to know how to speak English. And as you know, most of the people they are learning English because we have to operate computer, and we have to know how to operate computer. If I know how to operate computer, after that I will get a good job. And it's my special request for every brothers and sisters who are the student, please try to speak English and teach who are the one to learn English. If you teach, I know you know better than me. That's why I request who are the no grammar rule and how to speak English, please teach us. I'm not good at English, but I remove my shyness a little bit. That's why I'm making videos every single day, and I try to speak anywhere. At this time, I'm standing before the gate and near a car, and I know my ability. I'm not higher educated person, but if I try every single day, I will be success inshallah. That's why I'm trying every single day. And if you inspire me again, I know every day most of the people inspiring me perfectly. That's why I'm appreciated on all of you. And yes, it's a very good opportunity for me because you are inspiring me. If you don't inspiring me, my learning journey will be stopped, I think. That's why it's a very big opportunity for me, because every teacher and my dear beloved brothers and sisters and wise guests every single day inspiring me. That's why it's a good opportunity for me. I will try my best.